Playing tractor?
Yeah.
Is Dad gonna go shoot a big buck?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's going to shoot a big buck.
He's gonna shoot a big buck?
No, Daddy's not shooting a big buck.
He's not going to?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Nasty out. We're prepared. I've been shoveling all morning.
What are you digging for there?
A little French onion, some chips. Can't watch the Iowa game because we don't get it on the damn dish.
A little chili cooking. That is health right there. Starting the new year off on a good foot.
Well, this is the last day.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
This is the new hunting setup for the rest of the winter. Got the clothes and stuff down there. Camera gear and all that stacked in the corner. So not ideal, but it's what we're gonna have to work with probably through turkey season. So I'm gonna get the gear strapped on here and start hiking in. I don't know if we'll be able to make it to the line down in the field or not. We'll just have to see if we can glass any deer bedded up in there. It's a pretty bad spot to get into midday, but it is windy and blowing snow, so we're hoping that these deer are going to tolerate a little more than what they normally would. So about 12:30 right now. Hopefully be set up by 1:30 or so and get on something, so we'll see. These deer aren't going to be able to see much. It's Saturday, first day of the new year, January 1st, 2022. We got a really good snowstorm the first of the year here. We snuck down into here in the middle of our farm, in a place we really don't get to go that often. So we got 3 or so hours, roughly. Nice, comfortable setup. Yeah, no chairs. We opened the door, no chairs, so other than that, everything's pretty good. Look forward to seeing what happens. We're pretty much surrounded by deer. We've seen probably 12. Well, we got 12 bucks out there right now. There's probably 4 out there that are over 150. There's a mature deer out here right now. He's kind of our plan B. We're still just kind of sitting here hoping one more after shows up. We got a little bit of time, so we're gonna hang in here. And as long as these deer don't all bail, we're gonna see what happens. Ready. Oh, that GoPro just died too. That was still running when I shot. Yeah. Oh, we got it done out here. After a long sit with no chairs. Pretty brutal. Just probably one of the cooler nights I've had out in this, just in a driving blizzard. And I don't even know how many deer we saw. We probably saw
60.
Probably 60 deer, and then I don't know, probably at least 20 bucks, and probably 5 really good bucks. And there was a older 8-pointer out here. Korey was trying to talk me into, but we spotted this lone buck come down the hill, and he came out into the field here, and we were really looking him over because we're really trying to go after some just mainly mature deer. And we kind of decided he was what we were looking for, and he's not a giant, but he's a really good deer. I'm really happy with him. It's been a long year. Haven't got to get out that much here since I was out west hunting earlier this year, but we got her done tonight you can't ask for much more. Driving snow, first day of 2022. And he pretty much dropped right in his tracks right here, so we're gonna climb down, go take a look at him, get some pictures, and then head back to the house for some celebrations, some chili, and warm up our toes. My late muzzleloader buck here in Iowa. Good solid buck. Definitely not the biggest buck I've ever had, but it was probably one of the cooler hunts we've had, just with the number of deer we saw, the weather, just kind of all came together for us here. We'll get some pictures here and get them loaded up in the Ranger, and then go from there. It's pretty cool night. Glad Korey could come out, and been out here for a good long while. Had a nice chilly walk in. No chairs in the blind, so both of our kneecaps they feel like blocks of ice. Can't feel my toes, but man, great way to start the year.
Hell yeah.
All right,
That's a wrap. Here's the big gun.
oh, you guys are saw like 60, probably 20 more bucks. Yeah, like
20, 25. We saw 3 or 4 bucks bigger than him, but they were younger. He was the last deer in the field. Down goes Frazier.